In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import sources into NotebookLM. We'll start right from your browser so you can follow along easily. Open Google and search for NotebookLM. In the results, look for the official page titled Google NotebookLM AI Research Tool and Thinking Partner and click through. On the landing page, choose Try NotebookLM to get into the app. Once you're in, you can either create a new notebook or open one you've already started. If you're starting fresh, create a new notebook so your sources are organized from the beginning. If you already have a workspace, opening the existing one keeps everything in context. Inside the notebook, look for the Add Sources button. This is where you'll bring in all the materials you want NotebookLM to reference. The first and most common way is to upload files directly. Click Upload Files. NotebookLM accepts PDF, DOCX, TXT, and Markdown. Click Upload, pick your file from your computer, and give it a moment to process. Larger documents can take a bit longer, especially scanned PDFs, so patience helps. This route is ideal for notes, ebooks, study modules, and reviewers you've already compiled. Clear, well-structured documents with headings and readable text tend to produce better results. You can also add websites. Choose the websites option and paste a URL like an article or a blog post. NotebookLM will extract the page's content for you. Make sure the link is public and not behind a login or paywall, otherwise it can't access what it needs. You can do the same with YouTube links. Paste the video URL and NotebookLM will use the transcript to pull in the material. This is particularly helpful for tutorials and lectures where the spoken content is what you want to reference later. If you keep your materials online, importing from Drive is convenient. Click Drive, then choose whether you're pulling from Google Docs or your broader drive. Select the file you need and let it import. This keeps your sources synced with the documents you already maintain in the cloud and saves you from downloading and re-uploading files. Finally, you can paste text directly. Choose copied text, then paste your content right into the field provided. This is perfect for quick notes, lesson plans, or any custom content you're drafting on the fly. It's a fast way to capture information without creating a separate file first. Once your sources are added, you're ready to work with them in NotebookLM. If something doesn't import, double-check the file type, public access, or try re-uploading. That's it. You now know the key ways to bring sources into NotebookLM.